Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need protective gear and 3 solvents ready. Begin by inspecting the print. Is it a sticker, screen print, or baked ink? Once identified, test a small area with your chosen solvent for 30 to 60 seconds to check reaction. This prevents damage. While the test runs, heat a bowl of water to warm, not boiling, to soften adhesives later. Make sure to note which solvents soften the print most. That one will guide your next full-step action. You'll work methodically. Apply the proven solvent liberally and wait 1 to 3 minutes so the ink or adhesive softens. Then use a plastic scraper or a razor held at about a 30 degrees angle to begin lifting the print. Push, not pry, and peel slowly to avoid scratching. Once sections lift, reapply solvent and occasionally warm with the bowl to keep adhesive pliable. Continue alternating until most print is removed, then switch to gentle abrasives for stubborn spots. You're almost done. Clean the bottle with warm soapy water to remove solvent residue, then wipe with isopropyl to evaporate traces and prevent streaks. If faint print or haze remains, use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mild polishing paste and buff gently with a microfiber cloth. If the surface stains or hazes, repeat the test on an inconspicuous spot and try a baking soda paste or a different solvent. If glass etching appears, stop and accept a faint mark or consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.